Hi everyone, I've just got a few minutes before my lunch break finishes, so I thought we'd tap into the concept of fear. Everyone's aware of fear. Many of us are feeling it with this crisis that's going on around the world at the moment. And I was listening to a long-term researcher into the subconscious mind the other day, and he was talking about how when we have had traumatic things happen in our childhood, we're much more likely to look at crises like these. There's current COVID-19 crisis, and our fear is heightened, our anxiety is heightened, our brain is looking at everything in the worst possible way. And then when we're looking at data and we're looking at the news, we're proving to ourselves that it's true because our brain is primed for fear and it's primed for things to go wrong. So our brain goes, well, that's my life. Of course this is going to happen. So I thought we'd do just a little bit of a balance around fear and try to rise above that in this time. The more we're looking at everything with an open heart and an open mind, the more we'll get through this, and hopefully the world will be back to normal sooner if more people are doing the right thing and our numbers go down and things can go back to normal. That's my wish for everyone on the planet. So with fear, so I just want you to sit, relax, loosen up. Close your eyes, open your eyes, sit cross-legged, however you want to sit, but most importantly, just relax. So a couple of our usual little things, the anti-clockwise tapping over the heart. What that does is helps to get the body centered. So it helps to connect the left-right connections in the brain. It helps the top-bottom connections in the brain, and it also helps the front-back connections in the brain. So it does all those three without actually testing. So anytime we're doing this, we're connecting left, right, up, down. When we sit, if you sit with your little, pointer finger and your thumb together, that's the large intestine and lung meridians. So whenever we're holding those, quite often because it's lung, you'll actually feel a deeper breath. So just sitting with your hands in that little pose just helps get the lung energy going. And of course, running the central meridian from the pubic bone to the chin. It just helps to increase the conscious energy in the brain, which of course, when we're frightened and in survival, that part of the brain isn't working as well as it could. Okay, so relax. I know it looks a bit crunchy today. Okay, so I now release all fear from my childhood. I now release all fear from my ego. I now release all fear from my God within. I now release all programs that are holding fear in my physical body. I remove all phobias from my being and replaced them with infinite love. I have nothing to fear. All is well within my world. I replace all fear with positive emotions. I no longer bring fear into my life. I am safe. I am safe. I am safe. I am protected. I am protected. I am protected. I am happy and healthy. I am happy and healthy. I am happy and healthy. And breathe. Take care of you, take care of yours. Look after yourself. See you again soon.